3703 West Fulton. We're still recording here. I'm sitting at the kitchen line located about 10 feet deep, 10, 11 feet deep right in the front of the house here near the northeast corner. Other battery died, so we are starting a second recording. But should be pretty close to done here. Me. Next thing we should see is just a turn as we come back into the cast iron pipe here out of the main soil pipe. So I'm going to locate this spot. This last turn here and back in the house. So we'll get this spot located. Pausing the video to locate. Continuing the recording, I've got that located about 9.5, 10 feet deep in front of the house. We're going to pull around this last corner and back into the cast iron there. I'm going to end the recording here. We'll get one final location.